Hello, greetings to you all beautiful souls. Let's learn another style together. Yes, quickly bring your Ankara material. We are going to transform your Ankara material to fascinator head wrap. Yes, alright. So placing it on your head this way, if you want to cover it, this is what you're going to do. But if you don't want to cover it, pleat it the way I'm pleating it now. You saw what I did there. Then taking it to the back, bring everything to the front. The measurement is 50-50. All right, it's not just half Ankara material can give you the style. All right, so folding the two edges inside and bringing it out this way, you bring it together. Watch closely what I am doing. You see those excesses at the back, we are still going to use it. So bringing these two edges together, you pick your rubber band and fasten it together. Watch closely. Watch my hand, what I am doing. You use your rubber band to make sure you fasten that place together very tightly, because that is the base. Once you have fastened that place very well, you've gotten the base. All right, so these two excesses is what we are going to work on, but you can use it to create another style by tucking it in, and that little one use it to form bolster, but that is not what we are doing. So concentrate on what we are doing now. Those excesses, to stretch it out. Stretch it out this way, then bring the two edges that point down together. Bring them together. Use your office pin to hold it. Alright, so you also bring the two edges that is at the back together. Use your office pin to hold it as well. Okay, so you can see it's very easy, very simple. It will not take your time. No much pinning. I think we use about 2 pin and 1 rubber band to tie this. So it's very easy transforming your Ankara material to fascinator head wrap. Alright, so you can see I'm done with pinning the bases, stretching it out and adjusting it to your taste. Then this one that is inside now, the side I'm touching now, you're going to stretch it out as well. Stretch it out so it's going to form a little rose in the middle. Stretch everything out. If it's together, you can leave it. If it's apart too much, you can use your pin to hold it together. Alright, so stretch everything to form a rose in the middle. Alright, so the person you're hearing her voice is Demi Igele Empire. Please do well to subscribe to my channel. Follow my page. I don't know, whichever one. If you're seeing me on Facebook, follow my page. If you're seeing me on YouTube, subscribe to my channel. Don't be among my village people. Alright, so decorating it further, use your hair accessories to beautify it. So that is what the back look like. So you can see, isn't it beautiful, elegant, cute? Yes, so you can put it by the side as well. Look at the way it looks like. Alright, so it's beautiful, transforming your Ankara material to fascinator head wrap. Alright, so that is what the back look like. Alright, so you can remove it, okay, hang it and use it anytime you want. Okay, so you can still place it on your head this way. It will look like Zara cap. Look at it. So with this one base now, you can form 3 good style in it. Alright, so please don't forget, the person you're hearing her voice is Demi Igele Empire. Please, I would like you to drop your comment, drop your like, share my videos. Above all, practice the same makes perfect. Please don't forget to hit that subscription button so that anytime I drop video, you'll be able to get it. So I'll be happy to see you in my next video.